Hey guys, good morning. I go by Jay, Texas Gardening Gal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm getting ready for this little cold snap that we're about to get. I believe it's Sunday through Tuesday. And I decided this year that I'm gonna bring a bunch of stuff into my garage versus keeping it outdoors and trying to cover it and protect it. So here's the shelf that I just set up. Sorry, a little blurry. I may do one more row yet. I'm gonna see what I'll end up bringing inside. So things like my carrots, we'll get those inside. My strawberries I placed under my patio. My zucchini. I'll bring in my spider plant, those two plants, lemon balm, and then this here. Sorry, I had to move my grill so you can't see that. And then this over here, here's the grill when we had that storm. We'll go ahead and do fish check. I do have a heater in there, so I will fill it up probably maybe 2 inches more with water. If they're hungry, I can see them. They're waiting for me in there. Go ahead, fill that up. Make sure the temperature is good in there for them. They did good when we had a little bit of somewhat of a cold spell, but I just need to double check. So I'll take care of them. So I got the stock tank pond filled up as far as I wanted it to get. And now I'm just starting to move in some of these plants, and I'm actually gonna set my the grow lights up, I guess, out in the garage. I wasn't gonna do that, but I did change my mind. So far I bought my strawberry plants in. This one has a bunch of different herbs in it, as well as this one. My canned mint isn't looking real good, but oh, maybe it'll come back. But yeah, I decided I'm actually gonna bring more plants in than I expected. I'm currently in the garage getting kind of everything out here, and these items here I had in my plant room. And just look at just after a couple days how the lettuce is come up. And then in this one, this was done, let's see, that was 1/6. These I planted on January 5th. Here is a pea, and this is actually a tomato. I'm trying to remember, I think it was at the brown sugar. I'll have to look at the pack, but I believe that's what it is. And then as I was moving these out, I noticed some things are coming up. Oh yeah, okay, it's the brown sugar tomato. Because if you can see there, that one's coming up. And then, oops, almost lost it. On this one, here's another brown sugar tomato. And I thought I saw, nope, I was seeing things. Marigolds. So it's just the tomatoes so far. Tomatoes here, tomato, a pea, and then the lettuce that has come up so far. That's just a couple days. It's pretty good. Pretty impressed. So I'm still trying to figure out yet outside what I'm gonna bring in, what I'm gonna leave out there and cover up that's in some pots. I don't know, because like I said, I changed my mind. I was originally gonna just keep everything outside, cover it up, but then, oh, that was just, last year was not real fun. And then I'm like, nope, let's set up this shelf. Let's get these grow lights under here, and let's just bring everything out here. So everything's in one spot versus here, plant room, outside. So like I said, I'm gonna keep everything in here probably till the second week of February. And then after that, we'll hope for the best. But anyway, that's about it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do some more work tomorrow because it's coming. So let me look at the temperatures. So it just kind of changes every now and then. So tomorrow night, which will be Friday, is going to be a low of 39. So we're hitting borderline freezing, especially if it gets that feels like. And then it looks like Monday and Tuesday evenings is supposed to be in the low 20s. So, ooh, that's going to be a test for what's out there now that, I don't know, but I'm just going to do what I can. So I hope you follow my gardening journey. We'll see you later. Bye.